Everyone, we're doing a laser level survey, so I just want to make sure you've got the kit that you need before you leave the building. So here is the laser level itself, upright. What you want to do is open it, make sure it's got the right stuff in it. So in here you should have the laser level itself. Without that, not much we can do. What you need to have done is made sure that it's charged. So you switch it on, make sure it's on, and if not, you need to make sure it's charged up so it has a charger with it. Okay, the only other bit of kit we need from this box is this rod eye. Okay, so this is what attaches onto your leveling staff so that you can take the readings. In it should be batteries. Now I've taken the batteries out so that we can conserve them as much as possible. They go in here. Should be batteries. Again, put the batteries in, turn it on, make sure it works. If it doesn't work, you need to replace the batteries. So it's AA batteries there. Okay, so that's the kit in there. So charger, batteries for these two pieces of equipment, and then on top of that we've got a quick start guide. Make sure that's in there because that's to help you with the setting out, to make sure you set it properly. Now that's the kit, which is great, although we do need to make sure we don't forget what the kit goes with. Now the kit goes onto a tripod. Okay, don't forget, not spikes up, lay it flat. Tripod, and that's what the actual laser level sits on top of. This thing here is our staff, which is what the rod eye sits on. Now the staff, make sure it has its bubble with it. Staff with bubble so that you can level it. And to be fair, the rod eye does have a levelling thing on it, so you don't need to worry too much, but this is the kit that we want to make sure we've got intact. And if it doesn't, you need to talk to me or talk to someone about getting what you need for the day. Okay, so 3 pieces of equipment. This goes on your shoulder, this goes on your shoulder, okay, and this will go. All right, that's it. Obviously PPE depends on what the conditions are, what you're doing, where you're going to be, so that's another video. All right, thanks, take care, bye.